In this video, I'll show you how to record your voice on a Windows 11 PC. First, check if your microphone is connected properly. You can use a built-in mic, headset, or external microphone. Next, open the Voice Recorder app. Click on the Start menu and search for Voice Recorder, then open it. Once the app is open, click the microphone button to start recording your voice. Speak clearly into your microphone. When you're done, click the Stop button to end the recording. Your audio file will automatically be saved on your computer. To find your recordings, go to the app's file list or open the Saved Recordings folder from your system. If you want more control, you can also use the Xbox game bar. Press Windows+G, open the Capture widget, and click Record to capture your voice. And that's how you can record voice on a Windows 11 PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.